Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. This is your mathematics class and today we are going to start chapter number 6, algebraic sentences. Before starting this chapter, the exercise of this chapter, first we have to recall some definitions. First one is algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a collection of constant variables and coefficients joined by fundamental operations such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and root. For example, 3x plus 2y minus 1, root x plus 4, 2a multiplied by 5ab. These all three are the example of algebraic expression in which we have variables, coefficient, constant along with the mathematical operations. Second definition is algebraic sentences. What are algebraic sentences? When an algebraic expression associated with a symbol of equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to is called algebraic sentence. For example, 2x plus 3 is equals to 4. 12a is smaller than 4a, is less than 4a. These two are the example of algebraic sentences in which we have equal to sign and smaller than sign. Types of algebraic sentences. We have three types. First one is true sentence, false sentence, and the last one is open sentence. True sentences. The sentences which are true according to the given condition or relationship are called true sentences. For example, 12 plus 9 is equals to 21. This is the true sentence because the condition is true. When we add 12 into 9, we get 21. 4 plus 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by 4. This sentence is also true because when we add 4 plus 4, we got 8, and when we multiply 2 by 4, we also got 8. So this is a true sentence. The examples of true sentence, which according to the condition or relationship are called true sentences. False sentences. Those sentences which do not give correct relation between the numbers are called false sentences. For example, 8 minus 5 is equals to 2. The answer is incorrect. When we subtract 5 from 8, we got 3. So this is false sentence. 4 is smaller than or less than 2. So this is also a false sentence. Now what are open sentences? Sentences about which nothing can be said at once, whether they are true or false, are called open sentences. For example, x minus 2 is equals to 5. We cannot say that the sentence is true or false until we find the value of x. So this is called open sentence. 3x plus 7 is greater than 9. Now linear equation in one or two variables. Linear equation are first degree equation as it has the highest exponent of variable as 1. For example, 3x plus 2y is equals to 3. This is the linear equation because the exponent of the variable x and y is 1. The another example is 7a minus 2a is equals to 5a. In this equation again the exponent of the variables is 1. Now let's solve exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Solve the following equation. The first question is 6 upon 2x minus 5 minus 4 upon x minus 3 is equals to 0. We have the equation and we have to solve this equation. Now in this equation, let's solve this equation. First we write the question as it is. Now you all can see that we have two terms in fraction on the left hand side of the equation, and on the right hand side we have 0. To solve the left hand side we have fraction with the mathematical operation subtraction. When we have fraction and when we have to add or subtract the fraction, we just have to make their denominators similar to each other. So in this condition we also do the same. We just have to find the LCM of the denominator, as when we have number we just find the LCM of the numbers and write it in the denominator, but here we have expressions. So when we find the variable of the expressions, we just multiply the both denominators. As you can see that we just multiply the both denominators in the denominator and write it in the denominator as the LCM. Now you all know that the number from which we multiply the denominator, we have to multiply the numerator too. So similarly, here we have multiplied 2x minus 5 by x minus 3. So we have to multiply this 6 by x minus 3. And here we have multiplied x minus 3 by 2x minus 5. So we have to multiply this 4 by 2x minus 5. Now in second step we just solve the numerator. 6 multiplied by x, 6x, plus minus minus 6 3s are 18, minus plus minus 4 2s are 8x, minus minus plus 4 5s are 20, and write the denominator as it is. Now in next step we just transfer this denominator to the right hand side of the equation. So I've just write 6x minus 18 minus 8x plus 20 is equals to 0 multiplied by this denominator, which is 2x minus 5 x minus 3. Here the denominator is dividing by the numerator, and when we transpose it to the right hand side it will be multiplied by 0. Now just write the like terms together. So 6x minus 8x minus 18 plus 20 is equals to, when we multiply this expression by the 0 we got 0. Now 6x minus 8x we got minus 2x and minus plus. Again we have the first one is minus and the second one is plus, so we just subtract 18 from 20 so we got plus 2 is equals to 2. And you all know that we have to find the value of x. So to find the value of x, first we have to transpose this 2. So when we write this 2 to the right hand side, this will become minus 2. Now minus 2x is equals to 0 minus 2, and minus 2x is equals to minus 2. Now to find the value of x is equals to minus 2 divided by minus 2. We cancel out minus by minus, and 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, so we got the answer 1. X is equals to 1. Now the second question is 2x minus 3 upon 5 is equals to x minus 2 upon 2. Here we have one expression on both sides of the equation, and when we have the condition like this, so we just have to do the cross multiplication. So let's see. Solution, we just write the question one time as it is. Now we just do the cross multiplication. We just multiply the by the first term by the first numerator by the second term denominator, and this x minus 2 by this denominator. So 2 multiplied by 2x minus 3 is equals to 5 multiplied by x minus 2. Now let's solve this. 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4x, plus minus minus 2 3s are 6 is equals to 5x, plus minus minus 5 2s are 10. Just write the like terms together. So we write 4x, and here we have minus 5x, we have 5x after equal to sign, and when we transpose it to the left hand side, so this will become minus 5x is equals to minus 10, and this minus 6 will become plus 6. Now 4x minus 5x, we got minus x is equals to minus plus, we have different signs, so we just subtract these numbers. So 10 minus 6, we got minus 4. And we just cancel out the minus both sides, and the answer is x is equals to 4. Now let's have third question. 7x upon 8 plus 3 is equals to 9x upon 10.